On my first session, my tailbone really hurts, and then after a few sessions, and then it gets better. It's getting better now. I don't feel any pain right now. Yeah.
Left leg short. Okay. Good. All right. On your side, please, Nicholas. Nice. On your left, please. Good. All right. So let me check it out. Good. This one, Nicholas. Perfect. Let's go face down and see you later. Okay. These are even now. Okay. All right. Thank you, sir.